skills? No problem. In this video, I'll show you how to start freelancing using AI on Fiverr and Upwork, step by step. This is a complete beginner guide. I'll show you what to click, what tools to use, and how to get your first client. Don't try everything. Pick one simple service: voiceover, short video editing, or image editing. We'll use AI to do the work faster. Go to Fiverr, click Join, sign up with email or Google, then complete your profile. Add a simple description like, "I provide AI-based video and voice services." Now click Create Gig. Add title like, "I will create AI voiceover or edit videos." Upload sample work. Set price $5 to $10 at start. Keep description simple and clear. Now go to Upwork. Click Sign Up. Choose Work as a Freelancer. Add your skills, for example, video editing, AI voiceover, content creation. Now go to Find Work section. Search for jobs like video editor or voiceover. Click on a job, then click Apply. Write a short message like, "Hi, I can help you with AI-based editing. Here's my sample." Now use AI tools to complete the work. Voice. Use ElevenLabs, arrow, paste text, arrow, generate voice. Image. Use Remove.bg, arrow, upload, arrow, remove background. Editing. Use CapCut, arrow, simple edits. Once you get an order, deliver on time. Ask for review, improve your work, and increase price slowly. Freelancing with AI is one of the easiest ways to start online income in 2026. Start today. Don't overthink.